Idealist Information was founded in 1990. Having more than 20 years' experience has made Idealist Information one of the leading professional educational technology companies in Taiwan. Headquartered in Taipei and having branch offices in Beijing, Idealist Information specializes in the following 4 fields: Children's English digital courses, digital courses for elementary and junior high schools, interactive teaching tools for elementary and junior high schools, Chinese learning courses. Idealist Information has won many awards and recognition so far. There are currently 2,300 schools in Taiwan, with more than 1,600 of them using the previously mentioned products, giving Idealist Information a 70% share of the school market. In the past few years, many countries have implemented highly interactive hardware into their classrooms, helping global e-learning make huge strides into our schools. The development of e-learning hardware used in classrooms has moved from early electronic whiteboards to current innovative touch panels and single beam projectors. This development has opened the doors to a new era of educational technology. Highly interactive hardware has a crucial role in establishing e-learning classrooms. However, to make teaching more innovative, educational software implemented with the hardware becomes more important. Idealist Information provides clients with first-class interactive teaching tools, assisting teachers to deliver information in new ways in the classroom. The following is a demonstration of how Idealist interactive teaching tools are implemented on the highly interactive touch panel. Producing and testing for oxygen. Chemistry experiments can have an element of danger to them, and the waste we produce in these experiments can be environmentally hazardous. Interactive virtual tools can help you with all these problems. We guide our learners to conduct experiments following standard procedures. Learners can experience the process without the danger or the waste materials produced in a laboratory. It is the perfect way to prepare learners for real experiments. Now let's begin the experiment of producing and testing for oxygen. First, we take out the Erlenmeyer-Buchner flask. It contains manganese dioxide and water. Now we put the funnel tube on the flask. Attach the rubber hose to the flask. Put the other end of the rubber hose into the basin. Put the wide-mouth bottle, which is full of water, in the basin, and put the end of the rubber hose into the bottle. Now we take out a piece of glass for later use. Squeeze a few drops of hydrogen peroxide into the flask and observe the production of oxygen. This is the oxygen we produce and collect by a method of collection by displacement of water. After the wide-mouth bottle is full of oxygen, remove the bottle from the basin and cover it with the glass. First, take out the lighter. Next, burn the charcoal powder, magnesium ribbon, and steel wool to test if the oxygen in the bottle supports combustion. And this is how we test for oxygen. Observing the microscope. The microscope has been an indispensable tool in all kinds of experiments and observations. When operating a microscope, we need certain skills, and yet we know a microscope is not affordable for everyone. This is why the microscope in Idealist interactive teaching tools is perfect for teaching and training. Now I will show you how to observe a paramecium. First, we take out the microscope. Next, get your slide glass. Put a drop of the paramecium sample on the slide glass. Then, cover the sample with the cover glass. Apply pressure to the cover glass with a dissecting needle to avoid bubbles in the sample. Put the sample on the stage. First, adjust the nose piece and the objective lens. Next, adjust the focus with the coarse focus knob. And then, with the fine focus knob until it is clear. If you need better light, adjust the condenser lens. Idealist Interactive Teaching Tools Microscope is a perfect way for any learner to experience the virtual operation of a microscope. Geometry Plotter. The Geometry Plotter is a teaching tool specifically designed for two-dimensional geometry, Euclidean geometry. With Geometry Plotter, not only can users draw graphics quickly and precisely, but the graphics are also adjustable. Users can observe the interrelation between different objects through hands-on operations. This is the geometry teaching tool that mathematics teachers have been waiting for. Let's start by drawing a perpendicular bisector. First, draw a line segment with points A and B on it. Next, draw a circle with A being the center, and draw another circle with B being the center. Adjust the two circles to be identical in size. Now, mark the intersections of the two circles. Draw a straight line that goes through the two intersections. Set the two circles to be auxiliary lines. And this is how we draw a perpendicular bisector using the Geometry Plotter. To utilize a diversity of teaching styles and establish more innovative e-learning classrooms, highly interactive hardware such as touch panels or single beam projectors, combined with Idealist Interactive Teaching Tools, is your best choice.